Hello, I'm Julie Carlisle from Thermo Kitchen, and today we are going to be making a snack. You can see I've got our Weet Bix here. Now, I don't know if your family is the same as mine, but when we get to the end of a box of Weet Bix, this is what we end up with. We've got bits and pieces of Weet Bix that nobody's going to eat because they're not whole Weet Bix, and I don't know how there's a difference, but to my family there is. So the bottom of every box of Weet Bix is always left. So I've also put up another recipe, which is a chocolate Weet Bix slice, which is another good use for these Weet Bix. But today I'm making Milo and Weetbix Balls. So we've got our TM6 here, and we are just going to press the home button so we get to manual mode. And now I'm going to add, this is 190 grams of Weet Bix, so it's about 10 or 11 Weet Bix, and it's really basically what's always left at the bottom of my pack of Weet Bix. Okay, now I'm just going to pop the lid on, and we've got our 3 circles up because we're in manual mode at the moment. And all I'm going to do is activate the blade button for this. So I'm going to hit the end circles and turn the blade speed to 6. Okay, so that was speed 6, and I let it go until it sounded like it was mushed. Now, if you've got mostly mushed Weet Bix, it won't take very long. Mine took about 4 seconds because they were mostly mushed, and I'll show you. So now that's all nice and fine. And it's not going to hurt it to leave it a little bit longer, especially if you do have some whole Weet Bix that you're adding into that. Okay, and so now we add our ingredients. Now you can add sultanas or nuts or any other things to this, but I'm going to keep these really simple today because the child that I'm trying to feed is particularly fussy, and I just feel like if I keep this at Milo, Weetbix and condensed milk with some coconut to bind it, he's going to end up eating it. So we're adding a half a cup of Milo, which is 70 grams, and a cup of coconut, so it's about 90 grams. And then we're adding a can of condensed milk, and I think this one's 197 grams it says. So I'm just going to pop all that in and get every last little bit out. Okay. So with the Weet Bix and that, it's kind of healthier than biscuits, but probably not as healthy as some other treats you could make. Okay, lid on, and now we're going to mix this around until it's combined. So I'm going to again put that on to speed 4. Just use the spatula to mix this around. Okay, so that smells really nice and Milo-y. And I'll give you a bit of a look. Okay, I'm just going to scrape that down. So using the spatula through the hole is perfectly safe because we've got this collar on the spatula so it won't touch the blades. Yep, and that's mixed around really nicely. Now, I'm going to bring a plate over here so we can roll these bliss balls. And I've got some little chocolate sprinkles that I'm going to roll in. Now you can use coconut or anything, but you know, like I've said, I do have slightly fussy teenagers, and I think the chocolate sprinkles, or actually even rolling it in Milo, is going to be what gets these Weet Bix bites eaten. So just giving these a bit of a press and a roll and dropping in the sprinkles. There we go. I've got the goodness of, 10 Weet Bix in here. So I'll just keep on going through and making these up. Okay, so there we have it. These are our Weet Bix and Milo Bliss Balls. Hopefully your kids will enjoy them as much as mine do. Bye for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to join me on our Thermo Kitchen Facebook group. Happy cooking!